Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to work on a poisoned apple soap to keep with my fall and Halloweeny theme. I'm going to be using the apple fragrance oil from Nurture Soap. This one smells really good. It's like a sweet, fresh apple. Like when you smell it, you can feel like you can almost take a bite out of it. It's really good. So I've got my oils and my lye water ready. So let's get started and add the lye water to the oils. There we go. I'm just gonna get to a light trace today. I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do a drop swirl with a red and a green. Okay, that should be enough for now. Okay, now I'm gonna split the batch off between these two bowls. Okay, now that I've split it off mostly even, the colors I'm gonna use are this radioactive pigment. It's a neon pigment from Mad Micas. And I'm gonna use really red mica from Nurture Soap. And then in the red, I think I'm also going to add a little bit of the Sparkle Plenty. This is a environmentally friendly like mica glitter. It's a super fine powder, but it's really nice to work with. Yeah, this is kind of, my take on Snow White, and whenever I think about Snow White, I think of like the glistening snow, and like, I don't know if you can see that really well, but it's a very, beautiful, sparkly, very light color. And then since the green is a pigment, I've already put it into some oil. So let's go ahead and add that and see how that's going to mix. And I'll add in the apple. The apple fragrance isn't supposed to accelerate trace or anything, so we'll see how well it performs. Oh yeah, that's exactly the color I was wanting. Oh my goodness, that's like a super bright Disney evildoer green. Oh, I love that. Now let's see how well the red holds up for me. Oh yes, that's like a nice, deep, like almost candy apple red. I cannot wait to see how these colors look combined together. And I think since the last couple I did were just simple drop swirls, today I think I'll do a little bit of a hanger swirl to them to really make them kind of twisty together. Okay, let's go ahead and start pouring. I'm going to start with the red. Add in some of the green. All right, gonna add in some more red. Some more green. Red. Some green just straight down the middle. Red. Let me just pound it down a little bit. Yeah, this fragrance oil is behaving very nicely for me, actually. It has not been speeding things along at all. It stayed nice and liquidy, so yeah. Hopefully the fragrance holds up just as well in the finished product, because this is just fabulous. And then I'll probably just do a little bit of chopstick decoration at the top, just because this just stayed so liquidy. I don't even want to put a hanger through it at all. I feel like when it's really loose and you do drop swirl, you don't really need to do too much more mixing of the colors throughout. Or at least I don't feel the need to anyway. There we go with that. Then I'll just do a tiny bit of swirling. Yeah, I love this color green. It is just fabulous. It's totally the Disney villain neon lime green that I was going for, so I can't wait to see how it holds up in the finished product. Okay, and then let me see. As a finishing touch, I'm going to give the spritzer another try. I put more of the shimmer into this, so I'm just going to try and spritz the top of it with more of this beautiful glitter, like the glistening snow. And then I'm going to spray it down with my 99% isopropyl alcohol. There we go, that should be good, and this will go ahead and rest, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye.
Hey guys. Hi, Mom.
Hi guys, we're back. I'm here with my two lovely assistants again. Nathan, say hi.
Hi. Ah.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Marky, say hi.
Hi.
Good job, my assistants. All right, we're gonna cut the first piece of the poisoned apple soap. Do you think it's gonna smell good?
Yeah. Hey, you like that cut?
Wowie kablowie! That's very bright green
How'd you make that
and
cut?
a good red. What do you guys think?
It smells like green. It smells like
Yeah, does it smell like yummy apples?
Yeah, it smells like yummy. How to make that smell? How to make that?
Wow.
How to make that?
I love how bright this neon green came out. It is just perfect. And that red really is like a true red, not like a pink. Ooh. Oh, look at that one. That one looks so cool.
Let me see what's on the back of it.
See the front and the back? What do you think, Marky? How does it look?
It's green.
Yeah, it's green and red.
It's bright and red.
Definitely reminds me of in the Disney movie when the villain comes around and there's all this lime green smoke. Ooh, just beautiful.
I'm trying to blow this up.
I know you are.
I'm to blow this up as blue.
There we go. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's like the little bit of shimmer from the glitter.
Did you see me blow up the blue?
I did see. Good job, buddy.
Did you see me again?
I did. Mommy always sees you.
I blew it up.
Ooh, that one looks so cool. Nathan, look at this one. Do you like it?
I'm gonna get the gloves.
You want to put the gloves on? Okay, you can put gloves on. Yeah, the top has got that nice shimmer from the eco-friendly mica glitter. You can see a little bit of the shimmer throughout the soap. I love it.
Why do I make that cut? Smells really good.
Smells very good. Smells like apples. Marky, did you want to help me move it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's move it. Whoop. Good job, helper. And cut.
How to make that?
Oh, look at that one, Marky. Does that look cool?
How to make that cut?
Yeah, we're making the cuts. To the poisoned apple soap. Marky, do you want to help me cut? Okay. Here we go. Good job, Mark. What a terrific helper. There we go.
Can you help blow this up?
That one doesn't really blow up.
Is this
Let's not play with that one right now. But we're almost done cutting the soap. You guys are doing so good. Thank you.
one of those?
There we go.
I want to move it.
You want to move it? Okay. Good job, bub.
I'm gonna help.
You're gonna help? Okay. Perfect. You did such a
I'm
good
gonna
job.
Put that out.
Okay, you want to pull it out?
Wow.
Are you my good helper?
They are the same size on the back.
Mm-hmm.
Where are those? I'm gonna go around Marky.
No.
I'm going around Marky.
Okay.
And I got.
Thank you for letting me know.
And I made it. I made it. I feel what's inside the lighting.
Oh, yeah?
Got
Here we go. We're almost done.
close.
Do you guys like playing with my tiny spoons?
Look at spoons.
Yeah.
Look at
Wow. Yeah, that lime green is perfect. And that red really is just a perfect, true red. I love it.
I wonder what this smells like.
There we go. And that's the last one. Ooh, this one got some nice curls in it. I love it.
Are these sprinkles?
That's sparkly mica. Okay, that's it for today. We're all done. Boys, say bye, everyone.